when we finish leg here, we go to do here. In outside line, we will do IT band line. I sit behind you and Hanuman. Yeah, you know Hanuman, like monkey. Yeah, Hanuman sitting, and the body weight on this, one body weight, and single term from the bone. Keep it. Sometimes support your knee. On the IT band line until forefinger stop. Here we will do twice. Down, up, down, up. Two times. And directly keep palm press. You sing here. Keep palm press. Because we don't want to change position again. Keep palm press. After thumb pressure, keep palm press. Finish IT band, we move down. When we move down, keep customer leg like this, come to spot here. And now I need outside line 2. Loader. The loader in line 3 outside. Yeah. This is outside line 2. Another angle bone. And outside line 2 is 1, close the shin bone, 2 is the neck. We keep the loader. 2 and 3 the same time. Here 2, here 3. Four fingers stop. Hanuman 90 degree. And chain. Come cross 3 and 2. More now is more on 3. Four fingers stop. And then body weight on here. Body weight on here. This palm massage on line 2. Palm press. And finish the line. When finish the line, we come to do the point. Bend customer knee close and lock. And come to locking the hip. When you see the hip bone here, hip bone, the point is the same of the top area, the same lines of the top. Hip bone, the same lines of this top. Yeah. The nerve, what's they call the nerve? What's nerve? The sciatica nerve. Okay? Sciatica nerve here. Keep it. Press. Counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much do you want? 5, okay, huh? Yeah. 5.1. And we change the finger from thumb to index. And I move from Hanuman, I move back behind you, thumb cross, and feeling the sequence. The same of here. Close the sequence. This is point 2. Right? From here, don't lose your finger. Turn. The same of your knee. And twist your finger between sitting bone and the hip bone here. Press. Counting 5. Yeah. This 3 point is like triangle. Here, 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 here. Yeah, we can call 3 triangle point, like the triangle. Then give palm pressure. Yeah, and finish it. Outside line IT, 2, 3, and 3 triangle point and massage. Good.